Good morning. This is Fiorella, Carlos, and Hilda from anyhousecleaning.com, and Carlos is taking out our equipment. Today the van is more organized than yesterday. Huh? Okay, good. It's all right. And we're gonna bring those tools. Everything is organized today. Anda, regresa. Llévalo. And this is a regular house right here in Winter Garden, and we have to do today regular maintenance cleaning services plus laundry and some organization. This is esto que vamos a utilizar, este. Sí. Lleva ese cable, please. Okay, I'm gonna. ¿Ya tocó, señora?
No.
Toca, por favor, a ver si está. If not, I'm gonna text the client so she can open the door. I'm gonna pause and start doing our job. Thank you for watching us. Bye. 407-572-4118. Okay, good morning. This is Fiorella, Carlos, and Hilda from Any House Cleaning. I have a friend on YouTube that he suggests to put cover shoes and start using cover shoes inside the house. This is a really good advice, and thank you for that comment, and thank you for seeing our videos. We're gonna start doing the laundry and vacuuming and dusting all this regular house.
Good morning.
No.
Sí.
Muy bien. Perfecto. Perfecto.
Perfecto.
Ahora sí.
Todo es cuestión de práctica.
Exacto.
De coger swing rapidito.
The way we fold the towels is the way the owner likes. Each owner has different way of folding towels. So she never told me how. I just went to the bathroom and see the way how she do it and just follow the pattern. Okay, excelente.
This is how we do it.
Excellent. So do you see all the pattern is perfect. What I want to show you is what happens if perhaps someone put the towel like this. It looks ugly. So we put it this way. And then we're going to put it inside the master bathroom in the towel rack. Check the filter, please. So every time we check the filter, so it will dry faster. Perfect. In the meantime, some clothes is washing. Thank you. Now we already finished to fold the kids' clothes, and he's gonna take it upstairs. We already fold the towels, and also he's gonna put it in the master bathroom. Folding.
Todo esto son medias de nena.
Está bien. Las medias.
Las veo grandes.
Ese es de él, del papá. Yeah, sometimes it's difficult to realize
Yes.
which one is the mother, the kid, because they don't know us. They don't tell us. So we have to figure it out. A la derecha. El primer cuarto ahí, izquierda. Just leave it over there. She's gonna put it in the place. Underwear is in one drawer, and look for the socks. Habla en español, dime, ¿qué dirías? Carlos dice.
Si yo tuviera este cuarto, en mi infancia, diría, ya no salgo de mi casa. ¿Para qué amigos si tengo juguetes? Mírame, mamá.